Like a train was coming and things were swirling around, and it kind of hit me like this is a tornado. I had no idea. I'd never seen one before. It ripped through. Stuff was sitting in the house. We lost a tree. I grabbed the kids, laid on the living room or the kitchen floor, called for everybody to get down. And I mean, it's just, I've never seen anything quite like this. The entire house is destroyed. I don't know about the status of my stuff. There are people with no roof. Obviously, nobody has power in here. But down Major Way and the main road here, there's debris everywhere. I don't even know if it's sheds or roof material, but there's catastrophic damage on multiple streets. I saw the one tornado come through this way, and I know there's another one on Major Way.